Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a simple personal wiki. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you have to create a new page. You have to open Notion and click plus new page on the left sidebar. Give your page a title like My Wiki or Personal Wiki, like this one. You can add an emoji, emoticon. You can also change the cover photo. Just click this one. You can choose from any of this, for example, Unsplash, and then look for that specific category or keyword. It will appear right here. Then you can change or replace the cover photo. But you can also look for the built-in templates if you want. So if you want to look for personal wiki templates, just tap on templates, go to the search icon or search more, and then type on personal wiki. You will see here samples for these templates, and all you need to do is to select one. So you can choose either a blank page or use a template here on your Notion. So for example, this one, I'm going to add this. This will appear right here on the left side, and all we have to do is to click. Now you can replace, you can edit, you can do everything here on that specific built-in template. But I want to use my customize your own template. So if you want to add bullets, tables, if you want to add images, attachments, or anything, all you have to do is to type slash and you will see some options below. You can see field, you can see different types of blocks, even AI notes. So let me pull this one first, full width, toggle this one so we can use the entire space. Again, slash, look for that specific block. For example, I'm going to add heading. I'm going to add home. I'm going to add to-do list. So let me type slash, look for to-do list. And in order for me to add more to-do lists, I just have to copy, paste, copy, and paste again. So here I have home and then to-do list. In order to add again, you just have to type slash. And for example, this time I wanted to add a journal, but actually everything is up to you. Type heading and then add something here like journal. Now you can add block, so slash, and then look for something. Let's just say if you wanted to add notes here, then you can just basically look, for example, AI notes if you want. Then you can add your journal after that. So once you have added a block right here, you can now like projects, and same thing, all you have to do is to type slash for heading, and to add blocks you just have to type slash and then look for a specific block, for example image, table, to-do list, and so on. This is how to make a simple personal wiki. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.